Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how the chain monster tank is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe.
Achieving true durability requires a delicate balance. It is this consistency.
Alignment on auxiliary conduit 7. It's spiking.
Acknowledged. Adjusting flow regulators now. Parameters are stabilized.
The unit is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
That's how the chain monster tank is made. Wiring, pour out from start to finish.